Hong Kong's oldest and largest pro-democracy political party is moving to disband as the Beijing sweeping crackdown on the city leaves even the moderate opposition groups with no room to operate. Also, the Democratic Party, one of the leading voices of opposition in the semi-autonomous city for the past 3 decades, have started the process of dissolution following the recent warning from the Chinese government officials, 2 of them in the veteran, also members told CNN. The message was then the party that has disbanded or there will be consequences, said one of them, Yong Sam, a former Democratic Party chairman. Fred Lee, a former lawmaker, said a Chinese official told him that the party should not remain until the end of this year when an election will be held. Founded by the liberal lawyers and academics 3 years before the former British colonies' 1997 handover to China, the Democratic Party had campaigned for the universal suffrage and on matters from labor right to conservation, also during a period when such issues were openly discussed in the city. Widely seen as moderates willing to work with Beijing, Democratic Party leaders had spearheaded a significant voting bloc in the city's legislature and were regularly afforded space to critique the local government policies until the mass pro-democracy protest in 2019 ushered in a new and more restrictive political era. Beijing's crackdown in the recent years since, including the prosecution and the jailing of the pro-democracy leaders, has left the one influential party rudderless as it contends with the sweeping national security legislation and patriots-only electoral reform enacted in 2021 that makes it nearly impossible for the opposition candidates to stand for the city's legislature. Democratic Party Chairman Lau Kin-hee told a news conference last Sunday that 90% of about 110 party members have voted to delegate power to a committee to start the dissolution process, adding that he hoped a final vote would take place in the coming months. I hope Hong Kong's political parties will continue to work for the people, Lau said. Also, we have always hoped to serve the Hong Kong people and to do the things that are good for the society. The Democrat move to disband demonstrates Beijing's unwillingness to allow even the mildest of the dissenting voices to be heard in the Hong Kong, say analysts. Also, John Burns, emeritus professor at the University of Hong Kong, said that the party had symbolized the promise of some kind of democratic development in the Hong Kong, leading to universal suffrage as promised in the Basic Law, referring to the city's mini constitution. A dissolution of the party reflects official Hong Kong's turn away from the popular participation, locally accountable government and increased transparency towards more authoritarian rule, Burns said.